Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to use the off-road mode, and let me explain what you can read and do on your off-road mode. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's swipe to the left a few times to see the off-road. And as you can see, this is your off-road mode. So this is the telemetry screen. It provides real-time data for driving on uneven terrain or steep slopes, helping you navigate safely by showing the car's physical orientation and environment. As you can see in the center part of the following off-road, you've got pitch and roll. So this is the central graphic, displays the car's angle, as you can see right here. The vertical scale is showing a pitch of -1%, so you can read it right here. And also you've got access to the horizontal indicator. Right now we've got -6%, the side tilt. Alright, you've got also here the altimeter on the right side. The display shows you current altitude above sea level. In this case is 786 meters above the sea. We've got here also the compass, as you can see right here. So right now at the bottom we can read the compass bar. The red arrow indicates your currently position. Right now we are facing between northwest and north, and we've got also here on the left side a few toggles that you can use. One of them, the first one, is ESP Off, so it will disabling the stability control for loose surface like sand or mud. We can choose manual here, locking the gear for more control. We can use DSR, so activating the downhill speed regulation for steep descents. We can also use the parking camera, opening the camera view to spot obstacles around the vehicle. So basically that's it. You can use it for driving off-road. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.